Hey guys, so this is my first video in which I'm going to start my introductions, and I will also help you like to how to introduce yourselves when you are going to make a first YouTube video. So guys, in this I'm going to tell you my introduction step by step. In this video I'm going to tell you on what topic I'm going to make my video. So guys, let's get started. So I am Sonam Gujrat and I'm going to make my video on skin tutorials. For examples, how to remove pimples and how to make skin glowy. So guys, don't forget to like me, subscribe me, and you can also comment me. And guys, thanks for watching.